guys, I hope you're having a great weekend. I have a Halloween sale. I moved some really great stamps over to the holiday section. So if you click on holiday, you'll see stamps like this. Really fun, like Halloween stamps. Once you put them in your cart, you'll see a 25% discount in your shopping cart. So you won't see the discount till you add it to your cart. And you could use my coupon code for 10% off your order. So that sale will end on October 31st. I also have a great deal until October 31st. So if you do spend $100 or more, you can get this stamp set for free. It's while supplies last. I have this under Deal of the Day. So if you want to find it quickly, just click on Deal of the Day and you'll see that under that section. Just add it to your cart, and then once you reach $115.99, you'll see this come off the total. So that'll leave you with a purchase of $100 or more. So it's a really cute stamp set from My Favorite Things. Features these cute little deer and the bunny rabbit, and there's a couple of birds in there with hats on, and then you get some little leaves. Really cute, nice sentiments. My free with 60 right now is the Happy Christmas die from My Favorite Things. So if you already picked this one up and you'd rather have this die instead, leave me a comment in your order box. This is the Mountain High die, and this is the Happy Christmas die. I did grab some new stuff for the shop. I did restock the Doodlebug. So if you are waiting for the Christmas Town Doodlebug paper pad, it's back in stock, and I did grab the Doodle Pops. Those are also back in stock, and this cute little sticker shape sprinkles. So much fun. So those are back in stock. We've got this really cute paper pad, Celebrate Autumn by Echo Park. I just love this cute little fox in here. There's a page with owls and some pumpkins in here. Really pretty. There's some nice plaid in here. Oh, I wish I could open this up. Oh, look at that page. Isn't that cute? So, really nice paper pad. I also grabbed the Coffee by Echo Park. This is a newer paper pad. Great for your coffee themed stamps. Super, super cute. This St. Nicholas stamp set by Penny Black. Nice face of the Santa there. Ho, ho, ho. Looks a little like a vintage Santa. And then Sparkling Bright, which is a really pretty stamp set. How pretty would this look stamped in the background with a beautiful night scene with stars. And then these beautiful ornaments. Some nice garland. And you get some sentiments. Season's greetings, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and ho ho ho. I do have this stamp set, Songbird stamp set by Concord in 9th. Really pretty bird on a branch. And then some leaves. Some pine cones, really super cute. And there's some beautiful sentiments in here as well. And I also grabbed some Copic mini paper pack. So this is the 70-pound marker paper, great for your Copics. So I'll have the link down below to the shop. Don't forget coupon code Jamie for 10% off. And don't forget to grab those freebies. You must add them to your cart to receive them. And don't forget to check out the new releases. I still have some great honeybee products and some My Favorite Things from the new release. There also was a surprise mini release from My Favorite Things. So those are also added to the shop. So check that out. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by, guys. And I hope you have a great weekend. Bye, guys.